Welcome to the first part of the HAIP BlackStudio Tutorial Series, where we show you step-by-step the workflow on how to operate within the software. So let's start right away with the first session where we talk about the basics, and of course we need a camera for that. So in our case, we're using the Black Industry Sphere 1.7 Max camera. We also have the Black Industry Station with us, with a moving unit and illumination. The illumination is the Black Bright Fast Medium Wave Infrared that is perfectly designed to combine the Black Industry Sphere camera. And of course, we also need the BlackStudio software that we provide free of charge. Now let's dive right in with a quick overview of the BlackStudio Capture tab that we will be using today. The first step is to turn on the camera and to remove the lens cap. And then you can connect the camera to the BlackStudio software. Next, we can set the readout mode and pixel packing. When the camera is heated up, you can turn on the illumination to start the camera calibration. But please be aware that the illumination is getting hot really fast and the irradiation area as well. Next, we can set the frame rate, the exposure and the analog gain. The next step is performing a Blackbalance. For this step, we don't need the illumination, so for safety reasons, I turn it off. But we need the lens cap. We cover the lens entirely. And now we can press Record Blackbalance in the BlackStudio software. Now the Blackbalance is done. So we can remove the lens cover and we turn on the illumination to perform a Whitebalance. As you can see, the illumination is a slow starting illumination. So make sure to wait at least 30 seconds to start Whitebalance. To set a Whitebalance, you need a white reference. In our case, we're using a white non-glossy tile, but you can also use a calibrated white reference target. And now you can press the button Record Whitebalance. White balancing is also done. Now we can prepare the focus of the camera. For that, we need a focus control paper provided by us. And you can place it under the camera so that you can see the stripes in the live windows of the software. press the button Record Whitebalance. Camera calibration is all done. Now we can start working with our samples. For today, we're using typical plastic flakes as an example, and we can now put them on the moving plate, but for safety reasons, I turn off the illumination. I'm happy with my sample setup, so now we can finally start with the data acquisition. Of course, for that, we need the illumination. As you can see, it needs a couple seconds. It is a slow starting illumination, so make sure to wait at least 30 seconds until you start the data acquisition. And as we are working with the Black Industry Station, we have to set the speed of the moving plate that matches the frame rate of the camera. You have different data acquisition options. Today I'm using the Start Recording button. So that's it for today's session. We hope you got a helpful overview of how to start with the BlackStudio software. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. And in the next episode, we will show you how to operate within the Analysis tab.